सुप्रभातं छात्राः। षष्ठः पाठः समुद्रतटः. In this lesson we are learning about the importance of Samudratataha means beach, as well as important beaches of India. In this part let us continue with some more examples. भारतस्य तिसृषु दिशासु समुद्रतटाः सन्ति. अस्मात् एव कारणात् भारतदेशः प्रायद्वीपः इति कथ्यते. भारतस्य तिसृषु दिशासु समुद्रतटाः सन्ति. अस्मात् एव कारणात् भारतदेशः प्रायद्वीपः इति कथ्यते. Children, do you know the boundaries of our country? Yes, three sides of our country is covered with ocean, and northern side is covered by Himalayan mountains. In east, south and west we have oceans, like therefore India is called as peninsula. So Bharatasya of India tisrushu dishasu, in all three directions. Tisrushu means three, dishasu means direction. Samudra tataha santi, there are seashores or beaches. So asmadeva karanam, because of that reason, asmadeva karanat Bharatadeshaha prayadvipaha iti katyate. Bharatadesha, India, is called as Prayadvipaha, peninsula. So all three sides of India covered by beaches, therefore India is called as peninsula. Word meanings: Bharatasya of India, Tisrushu, three, Dishasu, directions, Samudratataha, beaches, Asmat, this, Karanat, reason, Bharatadeshaha, India, Prayadvipaha, peninsula. पूर्वदिशायां बंगोपसागरः, दक्षिणदिशायां हिन्दमहासागरः, पश्चिमदिशायां च अरबसागरः अस्ति. पूर्वदिशायां बंगोपसागरः, दक्षिणदिशायां हिन्दमहासागरः, पश्चिमदिशायां च अरबसागरः अस्ति. So in three directions, like in Purva Dishayam in the east, there is Bay of Bengal. Dakshina Dishayam in the east, we have Indian Ocean. And in Pashchima Dishayam in the west, we have Arabian Sea. So three sides of India covered by the Bay of Bengal in the east, Indian Ocean in the south, and Arabian Sea in the west. Purva Dishayam in the east, Bangopasagaraha, Bay of Bengal. Dakshina Dishayam in the south, Hindamahasagaraha, Indian Ocean. Pashchima Dishayam in the west, Arabasagaraha, Arabian Sea. एतेषां त्रयाणामपि सागराणां संगमः कन्याकुमारीतटे भवति. अत्र पूर्णिमायां चन्द्रोदयः सूर्यास्तं च युगपदेव द्रष्टुं शक्यते. एतेषां त्रयाणाम् अपि सागराणां संगमः कन्याकुमारीतटे भवति. अत्र पूर्णिमायां चन्द्रोदयः सूर्यास्तं च युगपदेव द्रष्टुं शक्यते. So these three oceans, Bay of Bengal, Indian Ocean and Arabian Sea, Trayanamapi Sangamah, joining of these three oceans, Kanyakumari tate bhavati, takes place in Kanyakumari. So atra Purnimayam Chandrodayaha, Suryastam cha Yugapadeva drashtum shakyate. Speciality of this place, Kanyakumari, that On full moon day, we can see Chandrodaya, moonrise, Suryastam, sunset together. So, moonrise and sunset we can see together on full moon day in Kanyakumari. These three oceans meet each other in Kanyakumari. Here we can see moonrise and sunset together. Etesham, these, Trayanam, three, Api, also, Sagaranam, of oceans, Sangamaha, joining, Kanyakumari Tate, in the Kanyakumari beach, Atra, here, Purnimayam, on full moon day, Chandrodayaha, moonrise, Suryastam, sunset, Yugapadeva, together. Drashtum, to see, Shakyate, possible. So like this we learned few important points about beaches of India. So children, learn this lesson thoroughly with the translation and meanings.